morning and I just can't see why everybody in the world is rich and famous but me. I mean, I'm young and I'm hot and I want to make money, but when it comes to talents, I just don't have any. I'm talking can't sing a goddamn note, can't design or sew, can't even get a reality show. All I can do is talk to a lame beat. Wait a minute, this sounds kinda sweet. I think I made a new genre of music. Sing, talk, gonna rock. Can't believe I pulled this off so tight. Hip-hop life, it's like rapping but not quite. Sing, talk, I'm on top. 15 minutes on my clock. Oh, 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 oh. I tried to learn clarinet, but I didn't get far. I tried ballet, but I couldn't even stand at the bar. Took a baking class and can't legally say what went down, but if there was money in arson, I would be rich by now. Instead, I open up my MacBook Pro, talking to the microphone, then running through some auto-tone. What comes out isn't really music, but I still have a #1 hit. Doesn't that just make you sick? Doesn't that make you sing, talk at the top of the charts? Who'd have thought? And life is so nice. I'm like Lady Gaga, right? Sing, talk, ready, rock. God, I hope this never stops. No, whoa, 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 whoa. Now this is what I sound like, raw. All filters off, it's the real me. You had enough, it sounds real rough. I should give up. Oh wait, I just remembered I can't do anything else. Sing, talk, watch me rock. A musician